Are you interested in artificial intelligence? Want to learn the fundamentals and enhance your skills in just 10 hours? Well, now you can, thanks to IBM's free training program. Introducing Master AI Fundamentals in just 10 hours. A comprehensive online course brought to you by IBM. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, this course is designed for everyone who wants to kickstart their AI journey. This course will give you a solid foundation in AI fundamentals. You'll learn about machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. By the end of the program, you'll be equipped with the necessary skills to contribute to the AI industry. And the best part, it's completely free. All you need is 10 hours of dedication and an internet connection. With IBM's user-friendly online platform, you can learn at your own pace, whenever and wherever you want. Each module is designed to be interactive and engaging, with hands-on exercises and quizzes to reinforce your learning. You'll have access to a variety of resources, including video tutorials, documentation, and forums to support your progress. Don't just take our word for it, hear from those who have completed the training and witness the impact it has made on their careers. They're now contributing to cutting-edge AI projects and unlocking new possibilities in various industries. Plus, upon completion, you'll receive an official IBM AI Fundamentals certificate, showcasing your newly acquired expertise. This certificate can strengthen your resume and open doors to exciting opportunities in the AI field. So why wait? Take the first step towards becoming an AI expert by joining IBM's free AI Fundamentals training program today. Visit our website and register now. Remember, AI is the future, and with IBM, you can be a part of it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up.